Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I would like to dedicate to one of my favorite activities, which is shopping. I haven't released these sort of videos on my channel in a hot minute, so I thought why not to share with you what was I up to. So if you're interested to see what did I purchase, then carry on watching. Before we're going to continue with this video, I would like to urge you to subscribe to my channel and to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future uploads, and join me on my Instagram. Would love to have you. Now going back to the video, small disclaimer, this is not bragging, this is just sharing what I have purchased with my own money. None of it is sponsored. Ever since I remember myself, I always was into luxury makeup and I would have bought these items regardless whether I have the YouTube channel or not. So some of these items are not going to be makeup related, but they are recent purchases and I would like to show them to you. Every item that I'm going to mention in my video will be in my description box, and there will be a link that you can press on and learn about this particular product. None of it is sponsored. I'm not going to make any money. They are not affiliated links, just so you know. So first we're going to begin with the elephant in the room, which is my infatuation and love for Tom Ford. Let's just get this out of the way. So first thing in line is this eyeliner from Tom Ford. This is the only one he has. It is 01 Deep. I don't remember him having different colors, but I did use it already today in order to create these winged eyeliner look on my eyes. And now that I have it in my hands, the next thing is going to be to film the actual tutorial because I have promised it. Nevertheless, this is the one that I already featured. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I love luxury makeup and this is my current haul. So this is the winged eyeliner. Once again, it comes with two brushes, a small and a big one. The largest one is my favorite one, and whilst I'm going to be doing the tutorial, I will explain why I love the longest brush the most. Due to the fact that it is a luxury makeup, I'm not going to be talking prices, but I'm going to be featuring them on the side of my screen so you can see it. So that's the item number one, Tom Ford. Whilst we're talking about the eyeliners, I have purchased two eyeliners from Tom Ford. This is what the packaging looks like, and I wanted to show you what's inside. So inside you get the Tom Ford, pencil sharpener. This is what it looks like. And when you open this up, you do get your eye pencil. So I did purchase two. This is the color shades. One is the metallic moss and the other one is the metallic mink. I am going to provide you with swatches. So this is what the eye pencil look like. I did use it in one of my videos. This is the swatches, and I don't think camera does the fair justification of how beautiful these eyeliners are. They are just perfect to work with, very buttery, very easy to blend should you have to, and they are very robust. Next thing in line, I have the nail polishes that I did purchase from Tom Ford. This is the box from one of the nail polishes, and this is the shades that I have picked. This one is called Bordeaux Lust, and this one is called Plum Noir number 9, and I am going to paint my nails for you to see. This is 16 Bordeaux Lust. This one is number 9 Plum Noir. Very pigmented. They might appear the same shade, but they are not, and I absolutely love these shades that I've picked. And last but not least, from Tom Ford, at least for today, it is not makeup related. However, this is my brand new sunglasses from Tom Ford that I just purchased. This is what is inside. Inside you get a little instruction and then a little thank you note from Tom Ford. They're thanking you for purchasing their item, and then you get this box, and these are my new glasses. So this is the name of these glasses, Nika, and this is what they look like. I look very exquisite now in my studio wearing these glasses. I have had my eyes for the longest of time on the Anushka glasses, but for some reason I just changed my mind at the last minute and I purchased these. But I think Anushka is going to be the next eyeglasses that I will buy. It's not like I need it, but once again, we all know I am Tom Ford junkie. Next thing, I have purchased a brand new Embryolace cream that I absolutely love and cannot live without. It is still sealed right here, and this is my primer that I love, and this is what it looks like. It is absolutely brand new. It is still sealed, and I do have a tub that I actively use. It's alive and going, but I would say that this is getting to the point that it is on the blink and I need to make sure that I have a spare one, and this is exactly what I did. Next thing in line, let's move on to something different, like for instance the wing liner. Apart from the Tom Ford wing liners, I do like my Inglot. It is not luxury makeup, but it is something that I have been using for years and it works. I'm a big fan of the black eyeliner from Inglot. When it comes to my sculpting powders and when it comes to my winged eyeliner, this is the one that I always go for, and I have to have a fresh pot available. This is absolutely brand new and fresh. It's still sealed. I'm not gonna open it. And also I did purchase the brown one, but I don't know where the brown one went, and I did use the brown one already. So then that's that. Next thing I would like to show you is this creme de la mer. This is the one that I use for my skincare. This is the original cream, and I still have cream going right now, but it's on the blink. So I just open it up for you, and this is what it looks like. There. This is the original cream. It's still sealed. This is what it looks like inside. I don't know if you can see. Smells divine, and I genuinely am loving these creams. Some people might say, oh, this is just marketing, it's a gimmick, and there's lots of good creams, and I'm not disagreeing with that statement. However, this particular cream is the only one so far that I have found that is moisturizing me so well that I don't feel dehydrated when I wake up in the morning. And all of the other creams that I use, they're great, and you know, I apply them on my face and 20 minutes later I feel like I am a cooked apple. I'm dry and I need more cream, and this is the one that actually works for me. So I had to buy a spare cream. There's one more item from La Mer that I did purchase. It is also skincare, and I am talking about the infused lotion from Genaissance line. This is what the box looks like, and this is what the bottle looks like. It is absolutely stunning to look at, very bougie, very heavy. It is made out of glass. It is also quite expensive, but it works for me and it lasts for a long time, so why ever not? Especially if it comes with the secret magic formula of youth. I'm all for it. So that's the one that I have purchased as well. I did buy this makeup brush from YSL. This is the brush number 12. It's an eye blending brush. Before you ask me, do I need one more brush in my collection? The answer is probably no. But there is never, you know, enough brushes when it comes to us girls. We do like to get something new and exciting. So this will be a super fun brush to work with. It is synthetic, so it's not natural bristle, but it is nice, and I like the fact that it was very big and fluffy. Those are the ones that I am always lacking. So yeah, that's going right into my brush set. And last but not least item that I have purchased, which is the most anticipated by me, is this La Prairie foundation. I have been wondering whether this is actually worth buying. I know this is not the hot commodity. This has been released quite a while ago, but it's going to be a new item for me, and it took me a long time to see whether I ought to get it or not, but I decided to pull the trigger. I am very much excited and a little bit worried, of course, to see how it will work on me. Nevertheless, it's all good, and those are the things that I wanted to share with you today. And now it's time to wrap up this video. I would like to thank you for watching it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this video, whether you like these sort of things, whether I should film more, whether you want to see vlogs, and yeah, just leave me your request. I will gladly oblige, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.